We're in Norton, Fitzwarren today in the St Modwen's development, excellent builder by the way, to see this fantastic one-bedroom apartment. Now, the property is presented in show home condition, it's been immaculately looked after. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
This is the start of how it all ends. Pull the knives out my back for my own friends. I'm surrounded by light, and I have everything but nothing at all. Everything I touch.
If you would like to book a viewing on this property or would like me to come and value your home, please do get in touch. Hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much.